In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use the board view in Microsoft Lists. Board view is a simple Kanban style way to visualize your list items as cards you can drag between columns. It's perfect for tracking work as it moves from stage to stage, like not started, in progress, and done. Let's walk through setting it up and then using it effectively. Start by going to Microsoft Lists and opening the list you want to visualize. This can be any existing list where you're already tracking items such as tasks, requests, or assets. At the top, choose Add View. Give your new view a clear, memorable name so you and your team can find it easily later. Next, select Board as the view type. Board view organizes your items into buckets based on a single field in your list, so everything you see on the board is still the same data, just displayed visually. When prompted to organize by, choose a choice column or a yes/no column. This selection determines the columns or buckets that appear on your board. For example, a choice column called status with values like to do, doing, and done will become your 3 board columns. If you pick a yes/no column, you'll get 2 buckets that reflect those values. Decide whether the view should be public or private. Public means anyone with access to the list can use it. Private means it's visible only to you unless you share it later. Click Create, and your board will load with buckets based on the field you selected. Now you're ready to use the board. Each list item appears as a card under a bucket. Drag and drop a card to another column to update its status instantly. No extra clicks. Behind the scenes, you're editing that field on the item, so the change will be reflected in other views like Grid or Calendar. If you want to change what appears on each card, open the View menu and choose Customize Card. Select the fields that matter most, things like title, assigned to, due date, or priority. Keep it focused so cards stay easy to scan. To add new items directly to a stage, click the plus button at the bottom of any bucket. The item you create there automatically inherits that bucket's value for the field you're organizing by. Click any card to open its details pane. From there, you can view or edit all fields, add comments, or attach files without leaving the board. Finally, add new buckets using Add New Bucket on the far right. This creates a new category in the field you're organizing by, giving your team an extra stage to move work through. That's it, your list, now visual, fast, and easy to manage with board view.